how to create animated videos with AI. So if you want to create animated videos with AI, then let's dive into it. So first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now the first thing we need to have is a character. So in order to have a character, you just need to go for the search and search for a website which is Lexica, and then you need to go for the first search, which is lexica.art, and here you need to enter the character name. So for example, I'll be entering a character, and once you enter it here, you will have all of the searches, right? So you can simply choose any one of the character that you're comfortable with. So for example, I'll be choosing this one, and once you've chosen, here on the bottom right side of that, you will have download option, right? Simply click on download, and you need to download that image or that character. Once you've downloaded, now you need to go for the new tab, and here you need to remove the background of the character. So simply search for background remover, and then you need to go for the first search, and here you need to upload the image. Simply click on upload image, and then you need to upload the image which you have just downloaded. Once you've uploaded the image, now here the background has been removed, right? So you just need to download the image and make sure to add a background as a green color. So simply go for plus, which is here under the background, and you need to go for color, and then go for the multicolor and choose a green color, and then go for done. And once you've done, now you can simply click on download, and then you can go for the new tab, and under new tab you need to go for the other website, which is the ID AI, and then go for the search, which is www.did.com, and then you need to go for start a free trial, and you will get this kind of interface, right? And once you have this kind of interface, now you just need to simply go for home, and here you will have create a video option. Click on create a video, and you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply upload the image that you have downloaded. Simply click on upload, which is here on the plus, and then to proceed you need to log in or sign up to your account. Simply go for sign up, enter your email and then password, create a password, and then continue. And once you've created, now you can go for upload, and you can upload the image that you have just downloaded. And once you've selected, now you need to go for generate video, which is here on the right side. So in order to generate the video, you must need to input a script, or you need to upload an audio to continue. And here on the right side, you will have an option of enter the script or the audio. So you just need to enter the, you can write the script, or you can also add the audio file. And once you've added, you just need to click on generate video. And once you click on generate video, you will have your animated video with AI. So that's how you can create your animated videos with AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.